The first step to creating your Immersive Proposals account is to head over to immersiveproposals.com and click Sign Up. You'll be taken to the login page. Just hit the Sign Up button again, enter your email and password, and then click Create Account. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the sign up was successful and asking you to check your email. Open the email, click Verify Email Address, and you'll be directed to the verification page and straight into your new account dashboard. At this point, your account won't have any proposals yet. So, start by going to your profile and filling in your details. Enter your full name and choose your company name. This needs to be unique as only one account can claim each name. Next, upload your company logo. This will appear on your dashboard. Once it's uploaded, click Save Changes. Head back to the dashboard and you'll see your logo in place. Finally, just double-check that everything looks good. Make sure your profile name and company name have saved correctly. And that's it. You've now set up your Immersive Proposals company account.